Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you're new, and if you're not, welcome back. Before this video starts, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave a comment. So for today's video, I'm going to do something crazy, a little bit risky, and maybe kind of stupid. I'm going to be tinting my eyebrows myself. I saw this little eyebrow hack on Twitter. It says to use men's beard dye to dye your eyebrows. And I've been watching some videos on YouTube, and some were successful and some weren't. So I figured, why not just try it out for myself to see if it works, because I need to save some coins and start tinting my eyebrows myself, because that thing is getting a little bit too expensive for me. I went to Target and I picked up the beard dye. It says to use the beard dye, not the hair dye. So make sure you get the one that has the guy that has the beard on it. Obviously not the one where he has no beard and hair on top, because that's the hair dye. So I've seen a couple of videos and some of them did go well, and the ones that did go well looked really nice. So I figured, like, I have a steady hand, it shouldn't be too hard. So I'm just gonna open this up right now and read the directions. So what comes inside the box is color developer, a color base, a mixing tray, and a brush. And they put the instructions. This is a coupon. Another coupon. Okay, where are the instructions? Right here inside the tray. Okay, so it says here that you're going to need to do a skin test. That's kind of self-explanatory for all dyes. And then it says here not to leave any residue on your eyebrows or on your beard, for me and on my eyebrows, because it may cause irritation. And then you should apply it before showering. That's basically like the do nots and do's of the instructions. And it says you're gonna need to wash an old shirt, an old towel, a damp paper towel, and shampoo. For the damp paper towel, I'm gonna be using my baby wipes. And I've seen people put petroleum jelly around their eyebrows. I've seen them put concealer, but I feel like I prefer petroleum jelly because it's gonna block out the dye from getting on my skin. It came with gloves to use, to put on, so I'm just gonna put that on. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna need this, to be honest. So the instructions basically say to just squeeze an equal amount of the color developer and the color base into the tray and just mix it up all together, and then apply that on your beard / eyebrows. So I'm just gonna open up the color base and squeeze just a small amount, nothing too crazy. And now I'm taking the color developer and I'm just going to squeeze that next to it as well. So I have both products squeezed into the tray, and I'm gonna be using the back of the brush that I came with just to mix that all together. I'm not gonna be using the actual brush that it came with to apply it. It's way too big, way too clumpy. I'm gonna be using an angled brush. So this is how the color is going to look, but from the videos I've seen, the color does like develop, which it does end up turning brown. And while that develops a little bit, I'm going to apply the petroleum jelly all around my eyebrows so we can start this, guys. I'm so freaking nervous, but I don't know, I'm really nervous. I'm gonna pin back my hair so I don't get it. So I have the first eyebrow lined up, and I'm going to do the other one. So I'm gonna be using an angled brush, just this regular old angled brush, and I'm gonna start. I should zoom you guys in. Okay. And I'm so scared. Dip this inside and just start. Oh, fuck. it's applied. And the box said to wait 5 minutes and then wipe it off. It says to use shampoo because you don't want to leave any residue on it, but I'm just gonna use the baby wiper and just make sure I get everything off. It's the moment of truth. I didn't have eyebrows to begin with anyway, so whatever sticks I'll be happy with. So I'll be back in 5 minutes. So the timer just went off and it's been 10 minutes. I actually left it up for 10 minutes because I remember I watched the video and she said that she left it on for 5 minutes and it wasn't as dark as it could be. So she left it on for 10 the next time and then she got it to be the darkest that it could be. This is how it's looking right now. It doesn't look too bad. I could have put more on the inner corner on this one, but I honestly didn't want the front half of my eyebrow to be too dark and too like blackish, so I was trying to keep that like, you know, on the minimum. But let's see how it's gonna wipe this off. I'm gonna take a baby wipe like I said and just wipe this off. Oh my gosh, I used to pay for this shit. I'm just gonna scrub it to make sure I get all of the residue off. But so far, I'm liking it. It doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look bad at all. It should fade away a little bit after I wash my face a couple of times, but it doesn't look that bad. This doesn't look that bad. This has my approval, to be honest. I'm gonna see how it looks when I fill in my eyebrow. These are my brows all filled in just with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz eyebrow pencil, and I couldn't be happier. 'Cause honestly, it takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to perfect my brows, and this literally took me under 10 minutes. You don't know how much time and energy and tears and sweat I'm gonna save from doing my eyebrows when I get ready. Like, this is simple and easy. I freaking love it. Yeah, I'm not going back to tinting. So if you guys want to try this, you guys have my approval. I think this is very genius, very inexpensive, very DIY, very creative, and I'd like to thank the person that I saw on Twitter. If I can, I'll post a picture or like the thread like right here so you guys could see exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is the finished product of my brows, and I'm gonna zoom you guys out really quick. So there it is, guys. You've seen me just use the Just for Men's beard and mustache dye on my eyebrows, and it turned out pretty well, pretty well. I'm satisfied with the results. I will be using this again. They said that the little tubes in here are reusable, so I could touch up my brows like every probably like 2 weeks or so. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for going on this little journey with me, this little trial and error. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.